Okay, so everything you see here is laid out specifically in order of the parts that go on from front to back. So for here, we start out with the base. And for the base, you need these pieces right here. So first, you lay these two long pieces parallel to each other. Then take one block and put them like so, like that, so that one block fits like that. And then you take another block and fit it right next to the block that you just put on there. So it creates a kind of platform. You take this black piece, not as long as these black pieces, and you fit this so that only 4 studs of it are projecting from the back. So like that, it kind of looks like a Slenderman. So that part is done. Now we do the wheels. And for the wheels, all you do is just insert these blocky pieces with spokes in them into the wheels, like so. So this is for the front wheel, so it has 2 blocks. Now for the back wheels, they only have 1, so you just insert 1 block. And make sure that it's this side that you're putting the spoke into, because it's not aesthetically pleasing otherwise. Now to fit the wheels on here, there are 3 specific spots for them. These 2 are for the back wheels, and then this right here, this area is for the front wheel. So you insert the front wheel so that it fits like this. And then the back wheels go in the back like this, so that you have a rolling base. Okay, so all the pieces here are going to be fitted onto this base that we made. So we're just going to start with the front part, because that's what we're doing front to back. So for this, we have 3 beige pieces in a row right here. So what we need to do is fit this red wedge thingy on there, like so, and then fit the windshield part onto the 3 beige pieces, also like so. And then these parts, these small blocks, they go under. So one right here, the red one goes in the front corner, and then it's the same thing on the other side. Okay, stop that. Okay, so now we're just going to put the front assembled part onto the base. And it's pretty easy. You just fit it like that, so that it fits perfectly on the front. You got 3 spaces right here. It's all handy dandy. So the next part we're going to do is the steering wheel, which goes, this is the bottom part, this is the top part. So it's easily laid out in that order. So you first put the small black piece on top of the white piece, the small red piece on top of that piece, another small red piece on top of that piece, and then you put the spoked piece like this, so that the white piece, the white spoke is going in one direction, the gray spoke is going in the other direction. And the gray spoke contains the so-called steering wheel, which fits on like this. Easy peasy. And then we just have this thing, and it goes inside like that. And we're gonna fit this right here, so that the white spoke connects to the front part. I'm just going to zoom it in like that. See, the white part connects to the front part, and it's placed so that when the seat comes in, it's an easy reach of the steering wheel. Okay, so next we're going to do the left side siding, which is actually this piece. So how that goes is just fairly easy. You stick the 1 red block like this, and then we have another 3-piece block, or 4-piece block actually, and we fit that on next to that red block that we already placed. We have a 3-piece red block without the spokes that goes right here with 1 stud left next to the wire free, not wire, the wheel free, And then we have this round white piece, and it goes on the first part of the four-spoked red piece. And then we have a little small clear orange piece that acts as a light, and it goes on top of the red piece. Okay, so the next part we're going to do is the seat, because if we put the siding on first, this would be hard to put in. So we put the seat, or not the seat, the foot pedal, the gas pedal, over here under the steering wheel, like so. It's kind of black so you can't see it, but you can see the light off the studs. And then the rest of the seat's pretty easy. You just have this four long red piece right here. You put the black 6-piece on there. You put the red 6-piece on top of the black one. You put this 2-stud block right here on the back, and then you put this piece right here. It's got a hole in it. You put that on top of the second red block, and then you fit all of that over here, but not so that that falls out. And you'll have your seat and foot pedal. Okay, so next we're going to put the right side siding on, which is these pieces right here. It's pretty easy. It's just the same exact thing as what you did on the left side. So we put the one red block right there, the 4-count red block right there, with the spokes facing outside. That's very important. And then we have the 3 red block over here at the back next to the wheel with 1 stud left of spacing. We have the round white thing that we put on the exact opposite side of the one we did over here. And then we have a red light that we put on the round thing. So it should look like that. So the last part we have is the back, which contains the bumper and the backlight. It's kind of important. So we put the long white piece that fits exactly onto the space we have left at the back, like so. And then we have the second long white piece that fits on top of that piece. You need to fit it so that the seat does not come off. And we also have these 2 pieces right here. They're round, kind of look like that. They fit like so, with one on one end and one on the other end. And it looks like that with the backing. And then we have this 4-count gray piece that fits onto the last exposed area on the cart, like so. We have another gray spoked block that fits in the middle of that 4-count block, like so. Then we have these 2 great looking things that fit onto the spoked block, like so. And then we have a round thing and another light that we put on the spoke, so it goes like that. And then we put the light on it, and you have your fully assembled tri-wheel cart.